Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines, and we are continuing our look at the 2009. Can you hear my farting chair? I wonder if you can hear that. We are continuing our look at the 2009 ImagineFX Magazines with Billy the Bumblebee, and this one is issue number 41. Is that right? Oh, I'll tell you what happened here. This was actually the last issue. I've done it wrong here. What happened was I found this in the second-hand shop. This is the subscriber cover for last issue, and this was the regular cover. Silly, I forgot about that. So that was actually last week's issue. Yeah. So this week we're looking at this one, and how beautiful is that back cover? I can't wait for this one. So let's go and have a look. Ooh! This is actually issue number 42 for April 2009, and look, the spine of this one matches little Billy the Bumblebee. But last week we looked at this one, which was issue 41, but my favourite cover is still this one here, issue number 40, and I don't feel like anything's going to beat that. But this back cover is very beautiful, with a nice little relationship between these two characters. But at the front, nah, that's still my favourite. Nah, this is from Watchmen. I mean, for me, it's a bit boring, that cover. I remember seeing this one before. It's a cool style, but I just think I'm not really into this character. To ImagineFX, keep watching and keep drawing. All the best from Dave Gibbons. So this is still my favourite one, That's still my favourite cover. But hopefully this one here will be full of comic book stuff. That'd be nice. I don't know, actually, the more you look at that, it's quite a strange cover. I think for me, the colours and that, it doesn't excite me, this one, the cover. But the back cover, I would love that to have been the front cover. Very much like the first one from the year, where the back cover was more sexier than the front for me. But Billy's going to get us in, and inside we go. And we've got, I like the way they've put these little sticky notes on it. Huh. It's quite funny. Yay! She gets a big kiss, does our Claire. He's the artist responsible for the most influential graphic novel of all time, Watchmen, Dave Gibbons. Inside we go, look. That's nice. Into the FX Page A section. You can feel the franticness in that one. Oh, that's cool. I like that. I like the way they're surrounded in darkness, look. Look at that. That's weird. And you've got some robots. Hey, look. I thought that was, he looks a bit like Solid Snake mixed with Gears of War. That's cool. Oh, I like this. I like the angle of that. That's nice. Look at that, look. I'm not normally into my environments, but I like that one. Probably because the little humans there. Hey, look, Watchmen. Oh, what? Watchmen had only just come out in the cinema. That's quite mad. Oh, I wish they put that character on the cover. I've got Watchmen, the graphic novel, and the book, and I haven't read or watched it yet. The Assault on Justice. Is that Gears of War? Not sure. World War Z, look. Look, Fantastic. Huh. That's cool, isn't it? Fantastic. Oddworld. The Art of Oddworld. That'd be nice. Absolutely loved that game in the old days on the PS1. Me and my sister used to play that. We got a little comic strip here, look. The forum. Well, this is very much like what SVS Learn do now, where they have like competitions for the forums. Letters. DVD, look. Artists Q&A. Cool character, look. What's this here, look? What are the good colour values on? I like the way they've sort of... That's cool. There's something about that. I like that. It's a nice little character. That's nice as well. Look, little doggy with her. Be the Bumble. He likes that one. Oh, cool. Look at him, look. I like that little character. Actually, it might be a girl. Oh, I would like to see more of these little characters. I would like to see like the world that these characters are in. I think it would be quite playful and mad. ImagineFX watches the Watchmen. Watches the Watchmen. How cool is that? Like the article, the way they've designed it, it's cool. That would have been a much, for me, brilliant more cover, that one. Like a black and white cover like that would have been very cool. Yeah, like add a bit of mystery to it, that's what I'm thinking. That one is just, it's not doing anything. I like that. Is that the covers for the comics or something? Colouring a classic. I'm going to have to watch this film. Oh, game look. Oh yeah. Maxim Verehin. Strange monsters. It always fascinates me what people do in their sketchbooks. It's unbelievable, this is. I mean, where is this coming from? Where are they coming up with these ideas? And why are they coming up with these ideas? The art of Alexei Briclot, prolific French artist who was a master of fantasy illustration and comic strips. Worked on the Avengers, look. That's brilliant, that is. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this as well, look. That must be the inside pages from a comic. That's brilliant. I love that. I've seen that before. Ah, yeah, I think this artist did a cover for one of the last year's ImagineFX magazines. The one with the lady in the cave or something. look at that, look. Reminds me of Stranger Things. This is the FX Pose traditional section. Here he is. I like the yellow. Look. He's got his hat there, look. Like a cover like that would have been a bit more cooler, I think. It's black and white. This is nice, look. Create dramatic environments. That's cool, that, isn't it? Reminds me of Loic Zimmerman. Who is that artist, I wonder? Mike McCain. Creating a custom brush. The Zen of abstract art. I like the colours on that one. The search for middle ground. Look, sketch. Bit of colour. Finished. That's brilliant as well. There's lots of nice stuff in this one. Old school sci-fi painting. Yeah, that's got a nice vibe to it. Oh yeah, look at this one. Next week, what have we got? The best fantasy, stunning manga, look. We're gonna have manga in. That's gonna be cool, I think. Oh yeah, look. That's the back cover for next week's one. That is brilliant. Oh, I almost want to turn it over to see what I've got to wait though for next week. It's going to be a manga special. Love this one. Martyr's Guide to Modelling Faces Part 2. Oh, yeah, the one they did last week was nice as well. I'll put a link in the thingy for last week's video, but look, they had a very beautiful one last week as well. So this artist, I think, somebody to look into. Marta Darling. Lots of art tips in here, look. Go into the reviews. Watchmen, the art of the film, look. Insider's Guide to Creating Comics and Graphic Novels. Comic book penciling with David Finch. Finchy. Yeah. Finchy from The Office. That'd be a very... I bet you can't find that anywhere. Sometimes there's like DVDs in here. When I go on eBay to look for them, they're like 50, 60 quid. Even if, that's if you can find them. Here, look, Ricky Gervais. And that's it. Another one's gone. Billy the Bumble. What did he think of that? He enjoyed it, but he was hoping for more comic stuff. What was the standout moment for me? Probably this bit here, I think. Because I'm gonna look forward to reading that. Oh, and the sketchbook was fascinating as well. That was issue number 42 of the ImagineFX magazine for April 2009 with my farting chair. And next week we're going to have a manga special, hopefully. So, hope you enjoyed this one, and I shall see you later for another one.